The Hangout is on air, is live, it's telling me. Okay, so my name's Jeff Gregg. This is another Google Hangout I'm doing, and at this stage I've only got one other person in the Hangout with me. It's Diane. So hello, Diane.
Hi, everybody.
And today the Hangout's going to be more on how to use Kodi. And so we're going to look at a couple of other things about Kodi. I'll share my screen in a minute and come up with a list of the things that we're possibly going to cover. But just before I do, is one thing I just wanted to mention to you, Diane, anybody that's watching this, even though I'm showing you how to use Kodi, I'm just showing you from an educational point of view how to use Kodi. What I'm not doing is I'm not inducing you in any way to infringe any laws or anything like that, right? So if you, important thing is if you decide to use Kodi, you decide to use Kodi to watch videos or movies or whatever, there are legal implications of doing that. And all I'm saying is you should seek your own legal advice to cover myself. So all I want to do is turn around and say, here, I'm just showing you how to use a computer, right? If you use the computer to go down and bomb, attack America or something like that, that's completely up to you. No, I take no responsibility for that. Or if you break the law in some other respect, I'm not taking any responsibility for it. Okay, so is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll quickly share my screen and show you, call up the thing to go over what we're going to be doing today, so we'll get an idea. All right. Entire screen, share. All right, and I'll go to that one, and I've got a thing there. So this is what we're going to be doing. You should be showing upcoming online courses, all right? Refining your use of Kodi. You see that, Diane?
Yes.
Okay, so and it's going to be done today at this time. What could be covered? More add-ons that give you, and I've put double V in give you access to more movies and TV shows. So we'll do that first. Access TV that is never broadcast. Now that's internet only TV. Now there are certain TV programs, and by the way, I notice even the ABC are doing that now with their catch-up TV. There's one some of the comedy shows on the ABC are only on catch-up TV. They're not broadcast at all. But one I'm going to show you is called Twit TV. Well, I'll show that. Using it to show all your photos in a slideshow, right? Changing the look, the skin, or the user interface. Playing music and a slideshow at the same time if you want to. Using program add-ons. Now, an example I'm going to show you about that is movie trailers as a screensaver. There's a little, you can set it up so it has a screensaver that every couple of minutes comes up with a movie trailer, and every walk past it if you're doing something else or doing the washing or something, you say, oh, that's an interesting movie to watch. Showing different views, which we'll do a little bit later on. Using the internet database to classify your own movies and your own music, and then possibly at the end we have enough time connecting to other devices your own. But before I do, I think you've got a few questions, Diane, about the user interface, haven't you? How to do certain things.
No, I can't remember.
You said you had trouble doing something, didn't you?
Well, I got Kodi up, and then I got music up, and I didn't know how to proceed from there to find some specific CDs.
Oh, okay, specific music and stuff like that.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
All right. I notice we've got Reg has just joined us, but he hasn't got his camera on yet or his microphone. Well, look at it. I don't think. So, hello, Reg. I'll quickly go over to the chat. And Reg has added, and his microphone appears to be on. You want to say something, Reg? No, his microphone is muted, I think. You'll have to go. Okay, no, your microphone's on now, Reg, but your camera's not on. Okay.
The light is on the camera. Microsoft Live Cam.
Okay. All right, doesn't matter. Don't have to use a camera. Don't have to. what you might, if that doesn't work sometimes, I find if you switch the camera off and switch it does work. So if you, I don't mean physically, I mean go into Kodi, up the top there, and where the camera is, I'll just switch mine off to show you. I just switched it off. It comes back to my face.
Right.
And then I'm switching it back on again. All right. So if you do that, that's if you put the pointer up near the top of the screen, and you'll get that little icons. And if you the camera one to switch it off, and then click it again to switch it on, sometimes it works.
Turn camera on. Oh, there we go. Oh, you've got my...
Now click it again. It went off and on, it didn't come on. Don't know why, Reg. Okay. All right, we don't have to see you, Reg. It's a nice photo of you that we've got anyway, isn't it, Diane?
Yeah, I got my shirt on too.
You're dressed up. Okay, all right then. Okay, we just went over what we're going to be covering, which was basically in the introduction thing. So I just asked Diane about. She wanted to know something about music, where you get how you would choose some music or something, how to find particular music. So perhaps we go and do an experiment of doing that, Diane. Do you want to share your screen and see if we can do that to start with? Okay, so there's your screen up. Thank you. Okay. So if your code is on your desktop, isn't it, Diane?
Yes, unfortunately. I want to put it down on the taskbar. Do you want to show me how to?
Well,
I clicked it.
Well, there's an easy way of doing it. I'll show an easy way. So if you need to first get it started to start with, so you need to go to your desktop. So you know how to go. Yeah, you're on your desktop. Start Kodi. You right-click, Diane. You just click on it. You just double-click on Kodi to start it, and then on the desktop. There we are. It's started. By the way, you'll notice your desktop hasn't appeared in Kodi. One little thing, a little trick thing I'll show you with Kodi, that your desktop, you've got Kodi full screen. You can make Kodi go to non-full screen by pressing the / key. Look on your keyboard and there's a / key. Can you see that on your keyboard?
I've got backspace.
No, it's a slash it's usually, it could be below the backspace key. Mine is on my keyboard. It's a slanting key, but
I know.
The top of it's to the left and the bottom's to the right.
I've got the right hand one here, but there's the right one again there.
On my keyboard, Diane, it's the second row right at the right.
Yeah, mine is too. But anyway, there are different places on different keyboards.
It's a / though. There it is. It's a forward.
That's at the bottom. If you go right to the top row under backspace. What?
It may be in a different place.
Yeah. Okay.
Try pressing that. There you are.
Got it. Thank you.
There you are. Okay. All right. Now you'll notice that's, by the way, that's so you can make Kodi into a window, and then you can move it anywhere around on the screen that you want. Right. So if you wanted to watch a movie, but also keep an eye on your free call solitaire at the same time, you could do that. Don't do that, Diane. Don't do that. That's not how you do it. Okay. I'll show you how to do it. If you notice on the taskbar, Kodi is already on your taskbar.
No, I didn't. I can't see it.
It's over on the right-hand side. It should be the last item on your taskbar.
Touch keypad, new notification, internet access.
No, it should be the little Kodi icon. Unfortunately, I can't see it because mine's covered up.
No, I haven't. Unless I go to that little tiny place.
Oh, you've got more things on there. Yeah, okay.
No. No, I've lost my half screen now. What's this?
Because
back again.
If you click on that upward V next to it, what brings that up, Diane?
Show hidden icons.
Oh, okay.
No, that's not it. Okay, it should be the one to the left of that. I've never seen what happens when you run out of things. What happens when
it just says fully charged.
No, the little icons to the right there. Is there one that looks like the icon that's on the desktop up the top there?
No.
Oh, okay. Hold on a second. I'll go look somewhere else. Oh, no. I'll see a better screen of this one because
what's this task viewer? What's this task viewer?
Well, it will definitely be. Oh, unless you've got it in a different viewer. Click on that. No, it's not appearing there either.
It's got Exodus, I think, on there. Desktop 1, desktop 2.
Yeah, that's how you can have multiple desktops.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's not there. Click on desktop 1 again. Well, I'll have a look elsewhere, Diane. Just want to hold on for a second. I'll quickly go and have a look.
Why don't you think I can drag it down?
I don't think you can. What you usually do is you right-click on it. It's on the taskbar. You right-click on it, and then you say pin to taskbar. That's the way you have to do it.
Well, okay. It has got pin to start. But that's no good. I've already got it to start.
Pin to taskbar.
No, it hasn't. Because I'd already tried that.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so I don't know why. It's there. Mine's already there. Okay, all right. You seem to have a lot of things on your desktop, and I can't see them all. By the way, you've switched off your screen sharing. You need to switch it back on again so we can see it. Switching it back on again?
Yeah. I did do that, sorry.
Okay. Okay, now you need to go to Kodi, so once again you need to go to the taskbar. If it isn't there, I don't know. Do you use all those things on your taskbar?
I didn't put any of them on. No.
Well, let's get rid of some of them. Perhaps the Kodi will move over, but I think it's over to the right. For example, the one that's the little money box or something. Put your pointer on that and unpin it from the taskbar.
Is that the one you mean?
The one to the.
That's a crystal eye, Ace of crystal eye. I don't know.
I don't want that. Right-click on that. Right-click on that. And unpin from the taskbar. And do that on all the ones that you don't want. Okay. There we are. We're going along. Is there more appearing on the right-hand side now? After you unpin them?
Lot of space. Yes, a lot of space. Now this is underlined. No, but it's got Kodi. When I click on that white thing there, it is Kodi.
Oh, well, that's the icon for Kodi. Okay, I don't know why it's changed the icon. Okay, put the pointer on it then.
Yeah.
It definitely says Kodi, does it?
Yeah.
Okay, right-click on that. And notice it says pin to taskbar.
No, it doesn't. It says close window. You said right-click. Did you mean left?
Yeah. And that's when you put the pointer over it.
No.
It doesn't say.
I've just got to remember that that's the Kodi icon.
Yeah, but it should. If you right-click on it, it should give you an option to pin it to the taskbar.
No, it didn't. It just says close window. That's
okay, try putting your pointer on again and right-click on it. What's it say now?
Just close window.
Oh, okay, I don't know why it doesn't want to allow you to put it on the taskbar anyway. All right, not to worry. All right.
But I mean, that's it, isn't it? I've just got to remember.
Okay, all right then. All right, so go back to Kodi and click on the Kodi screen. Okay, and if once again, if you press the that backslash key, it'll go to full screen.
Oh gosh, I've got to find it again now.
Below the space bar, the backspace, I think, or wherever it was.
Yay.
Okay, that's good. All right, under music there, you've got music, right? And notice you've also got music add-ons.
Yes.
Okay, go down to the music add-ons. And notice it says, like all things, get more. So let's get some more. So what do you want as far as music add-ons are concerned?
Oh, just some CDs.
I don't know.
Well, I've been through all of this and I couldn't make head or tail of any of it.
Okay, well, let's go to, well, for example, ABC Radio National is just that. That's a whole lot of add-ons.
Yeah.
Let's try Mixcloud. Mixcloud, I noticed that one. Try that one. Go down to where it says Mixcloud. I saw that. Okay, yeah. Click on that. Okay, and you'll see when you've got an add-on, it comes up with these things. So obviously you want to install it. So click on. Okay. And it says it's installing. It's finished installing. It says it's enabled. Okay. If you go back now with the back button, backspace, you'll notice you've got Mixcloud there. If you click on Mixcloud.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
And if you clicked on it, and it was, unfortunately, because the way things are set up here, I'm not seeing what you're seeing. I'll just see if I can.
It's got Mixcloud is rethinking radio. Listen to great radio shows. So it's not what I want. And DJ mix sets on demand.
There are other things with. I'll have to get back to you on that if you want to look for specific music. I think there's also some other stuff and some of the other things that are other add-ons that you can add on. That even probably under videos where you can actually get music. Because I'm pretty sure I've seen it before, and you can actually search for music. So we'll look at that a little bit later on, okay? Or we'll look at that now probably. All right. Just hold on a sec, will you? I'm just doing something. Calling up the video where we're at to, and I'll have to stop this in a second. You hear it's repeating what I've said before. I was looking, it's not going to show it still. Okay, here it was repeating what I said earlier.
No, you didn't. I don't know what you mean.
Well, I'll just anyway. I actually went back. I went back and looked at I can go back and watch the recording that we're doing of this right now.
Oh, okay.
Different screen, but I thought I'd be able to see it where it's not covering it up, but it is still covering it up as well. So I'm not worried about that. Okay. All right. Let's do a thing where we actually want to add some more things. So the one that you've got on your main screen is what Exodus, isn't it?
On my main screen, I have got Exodus, but yeah, at the moment I've got Mixcloud and Get More.
Yeah, but that's only under. Notice at the top it says Music Library add-on, so that's only your music stuff. So come out of music, and we'll go to the main screen. Keep going back.
That the one you want?
Okay, yeah, that's the one I want.
I've got Exodus.
Exodus. So that's Exodus, which is one thing that I don't know if there's any music in Exodus. Let's try it. Click on it and find out if there's any music in Exodus. So it's got movies, TV shows, channels, my list, latest movies, latest ever, tools, and search. No, hasn't got anything to do with music. All right. So, all right, just go back and we'll put another add-on with the add-on installer, and it's called Phoenix. All right. There's a couple of ones that I want to introduce you to. Excuse me, that's my phone ringing. I'll just ignore that. Someone else will answer that in a second. So So if you want to, we'll actually do another add another add-on called Phoenix, and I think that's got some music on it. All right, and I just want to show you a couple of other add-ons. And by the way to explore this is just to go to the add-ons and try them all out and see what you get. Anyway, to use the add-on installer, that's done under Programs. So go over to Programs, and yeah, we'll have to go back one. No, I don't think you went to Programs.
Yeah, I've got music add-ons up.
No, you go back one.
There's Programs.
Okay. Now I've
got add-on installer. Yeah.
Click on that. Okay, and we'll go to the featured add-ons, because I know not Exodus. What do I call it? Phoenix is one of them. There it is, bottom left-hand corner. So click on that one. It'll say Phoenix. Click on that. Do you wish to install it? Yes, I'm going to install it. And once again, for Reg's purposes, when Diane first came on, I just want to clarify something, Reg. I'm showing you how to use all this. If you want to use it or don't use it, it's completely up to you. And as to the legality of the whole thing, it's completely up to you to decide if you want how you're going to use Kodi, all right? So it says it installed it. Yes, okay. That's all right. So that's installed it. So we can come out of that now. And because that was, I happen to know Phoenix was a video add-on, all right? It's actually installed it and put it under video add-ons. So if you go back to videos now. No, you went back to Programs again, Diane.
Sorry.
And you'll notice under, you're in Equitus again. So just need to go back one. No, you came right back. You got to go to video and then add-ons. Okay, and there you are. You'll notice you've got Phoenix there. So click on Phoenix. Now under Phoenix you've got lots of things, right? And under Phoenix you've got Phoenix TV, Phoenix Sports, Phoenix New Releases, Crusader, Her Place, 1242415. In other words, they've got a whole lot of things that are there, right? And just another thing while we're at this, I'd like to show you something else about Kodi, the way it works, is because we're pointing at each of these things, you're looking at it in what we call the list mode. If you put your mouse pointer over to the left of the screen there, Diane, to the left of the screen, notice that thing comes up, and notice at the top it says View List. Go right up to the top of where it says View List, and click on it once. Now it says Big List. Click again. Now it says Thumbnails. We'll leave it at that. Notice it's changed. So the list, you know how in, I don't know if you have noticed, in Windows you can have other things as thumbnails, as lists and stuff. Kodi does much the same sort of thing. So this time, rather than looking at a list, you can see a list and a graphic that shows you the latest sort of things. Now here are a couple of the things that are available in Phoenix. Now Phoenix is another add-on, right? It tends to be something that's done by one person. For example, where you look at it says Her Place. If you click on that one, on the left-hand side below.
Oh,
second.
okay, yeah.
Okay, and it's loading up. And then it's got lots of things. For example, Woman of the Month, Amazing TV, Actress Showcases, a whole lot of classic love, women type things, if you like. However, having said all that, I also there's a lot of stuff in there that I watch that I find interesting. I thought there was something about music there. Scroll down and see if there's anything about music, Diane.
No, but it did have one before on those tiles that said, find something.
Okay, I'll have a go at that then.
So how do I get out of this?
Well, it's like everything. You go back with the back button. Backspace, sorry.
Okay, yeah. See
Let's
here,
try.
search. See that one?
Yeah, I don't. That's search mainly for videos. I think. I don't think it does music.
Okay.
Well, have a go at 11242. That's the one that's highlighted to the right of her place. Okay, top 300 National Lampoon movies, classic TV. Johnny Carson, Clint Eastwood, Mel Brooks. Oh, right hell. Actually, I think you've gone into people or something, have you?
I don't know. I just clicked what you said.
Okay. All right.
See, that could be interesting live in concert. You don't know who it is.
There's a whole lot of live in concert stuff. Yeah.
Oh.
So all I'm doing is introducing you to a few more, add-ons, and this is just one of the many add-ons. Okay.
Yeah.
Quentin Anybody into Quentin Tarantino?
I've seen a few.
If you like violence, it's all right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Not much.
I thought there was one on music there, but anyway. All right. Anyway, doesn't matter. All right. Let's just go back again. All I want to do is just to show you that. And once again, when you're going through these lists, you can either go through those lists just in a list format, or you can go through those lists in another type format. But anyway, I thought there was something to do with music there.
Well,
but anyway.
There could be something under settings. I don't know whether
settings... No, you won't find anything under settings for music. I can tell you that now. Okay. All right. I will mention, though, that if you're using Phoenix and you want to download things, and it's up to you whether you would download stuff, when you use Phoenix, you have to go into settings and set the download location where you want it to go to, but it queues up all the downloads, and then you go to downloads and tell it you have to start the download. I'll just mention that. We won't do it at the moment. Okay. All right. So that's enough about that. What else were we going to show you about? So have you got Phoenix on your computer, Reg?
Yes, he said last time that he had.
Okay. Okay. Another one I think I was going to mention is access to TV that is never broadcast. Internet-only TV. For example, TWIT, T-W-I-T, TV. Now, I'm definitely going to show you this one because this one has no legal implications whatsoever, I can assure you. So let's show you how you would install TWIT TV. Now, TWIT TV happens to be a video add-on, right? I can assure you. So we'll have a go at doing this. I was just going to say, rather than doing it on mine, we might do it on Reg's one as well. Do you want to do it, Reg? Are you there still, Reg? His photo's come up, but you haven't got your microphone muted, have you, Reg? No. Went on and off. Can't hear you, Reg. Hello? I don't know why, Reg, but we can't hear you now when you're talking. What might be a bad idea, Reg, if you exit out of the Hangout and come back into it again? It might reset things. That's what sometimes happens.
Are you seeing all the latest Kodi add-ons across the
down the bottom of the screen?
Yeah. Cinder, Commode, Fatstone, TVI Kodi Player, user ratings. Do you want me to click on video add-ons?
Yeah, okay. Well, Reg has just come back. Hold on, we'll see.
Oh, it's come back up to the Phoenix.
A blank screen for him now. Okay.
Mine's got the Phoenix back on again.
Okay, that's because you went into Phoenix. That's the last thing you left, probably. So just go back one with the back space key.
Oh,
you there,
sorry.
Reg? I've got a blank spot for Reg, but it hasn't even got his... I can hear you, Reg. Yeah. We can hear you now. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay.
I went out and came.
Okay. You want to have a go at doing this at the same time, Reg?
Say again, please.
Do you want to have a go at doing this at the same time of installing an internet-only channel onto Kodi?
Okay.
All right. So I'll get you to do the same thing again. So if you go to screen sharing, you know where that is, over the top left-hand side.
Yes.
Point it where it says screen sharing. Click on that.
Yes.
Then come up and say, what do you want to share? And you need to click on entire screen. I prefer you to do entire screen. Click on that.
So I need to click on share.
Yeah.
And
then click on.
You are screen sharing.
Okay. Well, I don't know why, Reg, but your screen is not coming up.
You are screen sharing, and it's not coming up.
No, I don't know about you, Diane, but I can't see his screen. It's just a blank one for Reg's, isn't it?
No, because I've got Kodi up on mine.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You can't see it. Okay.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
Okay.
I'll click on hide. I can see you, Jeff, and I've gone out of it now. I'll click on screen share.
No, for some reason or other, any of the video that's from your end is not coming through. I don't know why, Reg. Oh, there it is. Now all of a sudden it appeared. All right, good. Not a problem. Okay. So I'll click over to your one so I can make that full screen so I can see your one. Okay, and you need to start Kodi as well on your computer. If you want to start that, Reg.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got it on. See, Diane, Reg. Oh, you can't see it at the moment. But Reg has got his on his taskbar. Let's come up. Oh, and you've got a completely different background screen than what we've got, Reg. Okay. And you've already got a couple of extra things you've added to yours.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I've got Exodus and Phoenix there.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is do another add-on, and this add-on is going to be called Twit TV. So I'll try and follow both of you as you're going along. I'm showing Reg's screen at the moment. And just by the way, for anybody that's watching this, you can see how did you get that other background screen on there, Reg?
It's just popped up this time, Jeff. I don't know.
You don't know. It's done it. You don't know how to do it. Okay.
Perhaps.
All right. I think there's a setting somewhere where you can set your background screen. All right. If you now then, Reg, both of you go to video, click on point at videos. Don't click on it, just point at it. Okay. And then and then go down to add-ons. It's got files and add-ons. You have to go across and down.
Did you want to go files? I thought you just said add-ons.
No, add-ons. Now yours has already gone down one, Diane. You have to do it again. Go to, that's right,
just
video.
Up there all the time.
Just go back with the backspace key, Diane. The backspace key will take you back one.
Okay.
There we are. And hold on, let's just switch yours to full screen. Okay, there you are. Now on your one, Diane, I want you to click on Get More. And the same with, you've jumped out of it, Reg.
Yeah.
You go to add-ons and get more. All right?
I jumped to Genesis now. I'll backspace. Video.
Okay. No, you're in the right screen. You go.
Okay. Video add-ons.
Video add-ons. And then you're already on the one where it says get more. Okay. So both of you want you to scroll down. There should be one called, it's in the alphabetical order, Twit TV. Hopefully it's there. No, it's not there.
Not there.
Okay. All right. Okay, it used to be there. Looks like they've decided to remove it from there.
Music video jukebox for die.
No, Twit TV is the one I'm after. Okay, let's have a look at Brian.
It's a shame they
Right.
haven't got a search space that you can actually put something in.
Okay, well, we're going to do it a different way then. See if you can go down. It's got twit, TW. Go to the T's, Diane. You've got to go down to the T's.
Oh, I've already been all the way down.
It's not there.
NOPQPRS. Then let's have a look.
Keep going.
I've just clicked on Get More, and
Okay.
it's got 9 GAG TV and 7 TV.
Yeah, I've got Twit. I got it.
Diane's got it. Twit TV. Okay, Diane, you click on that one. Twit TV. Okay,
Install.
and click on Install. Yeah. Now, Rich, I'll come back to you and have a look at your one. You got Ted's. What's after Ted?
It's under Tweakers. TV Rage, Tweakers, Twit. And then it's got Twitch TV as well.
Okay. Well, it's Twit we're after.
It's under Tweakers.
Okay, yours is not there for some reason or other, Rich. You've got a new set of things.
Are you sure? Because I couldn't find it either at first.
Okay.
So what's it under, Diane?
It goes Tweakers and then Twit. TV VOD, Rage, Tweakers, Twit.
Okay, now I know I'm looking at Reg's, and Reg seems to have a different list than you, Diane. He's got some sort of a different thing on. We'll do it what we'll do, Reg, we'll come back and look at Diane's one, and then I'll show you a different. We'll use the add-on install to install it on yours. Okay, so if you stop your screen sharing, Reg, all right, and come back to us, you can see Diane's way of doing it.
So I'll go back to the home page, Jeff.
Yeah, what you'll need to do is probably minimise. You can't see your taskbar, can you?
Not now.
Okay. Press the backslash key that I told Diane to press on hers. There.
Right.
Now you can see your taskbar.
No.
Can't. Press the backspace. You definitely press not the backspace, the backslash key. My apologies. Okay. The backslash key.
Yeah. Nothing's happening.
I might do Twitch TV while I'm waiting.
Okay, you can install it. Oh, well, can we wait, Diane? I'd like to show Reg how it's installed. So you can just wait a second.
Okay.
Okay. Just Reg, try it. It's the backslash key.
The backslash key, yeah. I'm just pressing it, Jeff. I'm back on the home page for Kodi.
Yes, I know. I can see that. I can see you on the home page for Kodi, but the backslash is not working. Oh, no. I don't know why. You've got different settings for everybody else. One of the things about it is Kodi is you can change the settings. It looks like something's changed your setting. I'll tell you what you do then, Reg. Hold down the Alt key and press Tab, and it will switch through to the various applications until you get back to your Google Chrome. Hold down Alt and Tab.
Alt and Tab.
There you are. That's it. Alt and Tab again until you see the one with my photo on me. That's hold down the Alt and press Tab one at a time. And again. Now Alt Tab again. Hold the Alt down. No,
yeah.
That's one way back there. And one more time. Alt Tab again.
I'm holding the Alt down.
And press Tab. That's the one. Until that little border goes around the one with my photo on it. One more time. Tab again.
Hang on, Jeff. This might be. I've got Skype open.
That's all right. No, you went back again. Alt Tab again, Reg. One time only. Alt Tab. There you are. Let it go.
It goes back to Skype.
That's all right. That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Go and press the now which program did you start what's the name off in? Which program did you start the Hangout in? Google Chrome?
Yes. Yeah. Google
Well, click
Chrome.
on the Google Chrome at the bottom of the screen.
I'll just close the Skype, Jeff,
No, okay.
and I'm
All
back
right,
to
you can if you
the.
want. You'll be back to where you were. I'll do
Yeah.
Alt Tab again, Reg.
And it's bringing
Now
up.
let it go. No, no,
It,
Alt. You've got Skype going a number of times. Alt Tab
yeah.
again. Alt Tab again.
It's bringing up two.
Yeah, I know. Keep tabbing it. Keep pressing the tab until it gets to the one with the border around the one with the photo of me on it.
Oh, okay.
Now let it go.
Gotcha.
Now you're back. Hey. All right. Okay. All right. By the way, that's a little thing. Whenever you can't see the taskbar for some reason, which you couldn't because you had Kodi covering the taskbar, if you press Alt and Tab, that's another way of switching tasks in Windows.
Okay.
All Windows, right back to the early versions. Okay. Now you can switch off your screen sharing. Reg, go over to the top, the left-hand side. Point at the screen sharing, switch it off.
Okay. Done that.
Okay, it should come back to you, but it looks like it's not going to go to anyway.
It's showing my my picture.
Okay. All right, doesn't matter. All right, Diane, I've moved back to you, and you've already enabled Twitch TV, haven't you?
Yes, I've installed it.
Okay. All right, because you've installed it, just press the back again to come back. All right, and back again. You'll notice now, and you went back one more time. Just go to video add-ons again. You'll notice you've now got Twit, T-W-I-T. Click on that one. And it'll start to load up. And you'll notice you've got Twit Live, all about Android, all Twit TV shows, Floss, Ham Nation, etc., etc. Now, what it is, Twit stands for This Week in Technology. And this is this is an internet channel. In other words, you cannot get this on television, right? That I'm aware of anyway. So it's all available only on the internet. And it's 100% legal to use this. And this is where I get a whole lot of information about technology. I want to look up technology, and you may be interested, you may not. So if you go down to the one that says, there's one that says, that one you're at the moment, Tech News Today. If you click on that, Diane?
Yeah, I've checked up. Working.
Are you seeing this, Reg?
Yes, I'm seeing Diane's screen. And,
okay, good.
And on the right, Jeff, this comes up on a screen, and I can't get any pictures at all. And just the photo on the right.
I don't know why that's red. All I'm seeing on your screen is a copy of me. No, it's blank. Don't know why. Okay. All right.
No.
All right. Okay.
But Jeff, when I'm not doing webinar, I click something and this screen comes up just as it was showing. So,
unfortunately, I can't see your screen at the moment, Reg, because for some reason or other, there's just nothing. Well, first of all, you're not screen sharing, and I can't see it at all. No, at the moment, because you're not screen sharing.
What I'm saying, Jeff, if you listen, is that on the media player, I've got Kodi, and when I go to something, I can't remember what it is, that picture comes up, and I can't get anything further from there. That picture that was on Diane's screen.
Oh, the thing's over to the right.
Yeah, to
well, listen,
the right.
Can I have a look at that in a minute, Reg?
Sure.
Can I have a look at that in a minute? We'll have a look at that in a minute and see what it looks like, okay? Okay, so Diane, if you want to click on any one of those, just click on it, you'll notice it'll start up. Now, I watch this every now and then. The host of it's Megan Morone, and there's also another guy that's on it. And there she is. That's Megan Morone. All right, and that's actually this is a recording of a previous live show that they did. All I wanted to point out is this show, and quite often they go to quite often go to exhibitions, and they actually talk about technology and that. So it's up to you if you want to watch it. And this is an example. There's an ad that they've got. Catchfly is one of the ads that they've got on it. So they have ads in the middle of it. But all I'm saying is, there you are. There's your watching Tech News Today, and they'll talk about various things and stuff like that. Right? So so there we are. That's just an example of one what I call internet TV program. All right. And obviously you can do all the normal things with it. You can pause it, you can play it, you can rewind and fast forward. By the way, a couple of things that you need to understand. I'll just give you an example of a couple of things that you may be interested in. All right? If you play it again, Diane, put the pointer on there and click on play. And you'll notice the bar that's there. It's actually playing at the moment. If you want it to go, no, don't move that bar. Just leave it there. Okay. If you wanted to jump forward 30 seconds, if you press the right-hand arrow key on your keyboard, it'll jump forward 30 seconds on the keyboard, not on the mouse.
Oh, on the keyboard. Right.
Okay, so it jumps forward 30 seconds,
yeah,
all right?
Yeah.
If you press the up arrow, it jumps forward 5 minutes. Notice up the top it says fast forward, and it's jumped to 11 minutes and 54 seconds.
Yes.
Top. Once again, the opposite applies. If you press the left arrow, it'll go back 30 seconds. And if you press the down arrow, it'll go back 5 minutes or 10 minutes or something. And by the way, you can reset all this. You can set it up so it does any number of minutes that you want. Okay. Okay. All right. And by the way, at the moment, you're fast forwarding it at double speed, dying for some reason or other. Okay. If you press the F key on your keyboard, it goes fast forward. All right. You keep on pressing F on your keyboard. Notice it's going 8 speed now. Keep pressing F, and it'll eventually go back 32 speed, and that's back to an ordinary speed again. See that changing at the top of the screen? Can you see that, Reg?
Yes. I'm wondering, Jeff, if you can apply that to movies.
Gonna what?
If you're watching a movie, and
yes, it applies to movies as well. This is actually a movie. This is actually a movie. When I say a movie, it's a video. It's just this is a recording. So you're still getting a double speed dial. So just press the F key until where it says up there X10 goes back to 2X goes back to nothing. That's it. Ah. No, you're going too far. Press it again, one more time. There we are. Now you're back to ordinary speed. Okay. And by the way, another thing, if you press your space bar, Diane, press the space bar on the keyboard. Press the space bar.
Yeah.
So it pauses it.
Yeah.
So rather than having to use the mouse, sometimes it's good to use the keyboard. The space bar stops it. So now you notice you're at 16 minutes and 55 seconds out of a 50-minute, 27-second movie. Right? All right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there are just a couple of extra things I thought I'd better show you about how to use Kodi, the little extra things. But anyway, this is what we've done now is loaded up, as I said, Twitch TV. As I said, I watch this quite often because I like to keep up with technology. It might be a little bit advanced for you. You give an example. I learnt the other day that there's a new thing that Google are bringing out, which is going to be really good if they ever get it going for this Google Hangouts. So they built into Google Hangouts where you'll have virtual reality Hangouts. Now, at the moment, when we're looking at a screen, like we're looking at this person on the screen, right? When you have virtual reality, you put a headset over your head, and when you turn around, you'll be able to see what she's looking at.
Yeah.
That technology already exists. You'll be able to turn around and see what she's looking at. So if you want to see some examples of that, the program, the Twit News of yesterday, I think, has actually got that. If you go into the news, they show
that's
you.
called a hologram, isn't it? A hologram.
No, it's not a hologram. No, it just turns around as you turn. You know,
Okay.
you use Google Street View. If you
Yeah,
both use
yeah.
Google Street View, you know how you can turn the screen around and look around.
Yeah, yeah.
You do the same thing. In other words,
Okay.
rather than having one camera, they have 6 or 7 cameras, and you turn
Okay.
around and look through a different camera.
Okay.
It's already done, and that's going to be fantastic when they build that into sports. You have multiple virtual reality cameras around a sports ground. If you want to go and look at the game from the other end, you can. You can switch different cameras and that. All right. So, in other words, you're in control rather than the producer of the program being in control.
Yeah.
Become your own producer. Anyway, all right. So that's that. So we've done that part of it. Do you want to install Twit TV on yours as well, Reg?
I wouldn't mind.
Okay. Now, obviously, for some reason or other, I don't know why, Reg, yours. If you just we'll stop screen sharing with you, Diane. So if you just press that / key again. In fact, that's right. I never thought you can just put the pointer at the top of the screen. It should pop up. That's right. And now just switch off the screen sharing. And we're back to you, Diane. Okay. With Reg, all right, I'll go back to Reg's screen and or back to whoever's talking screen. So if you, Reg, go to screen share again. I can't see you doing it, Reg, so I assume you're doing it. And then click on, after you do screen share, it's going to be entire screen, and then click on share down the bottom of the screen. You doing that, Reg?
Yes.
Okay, and there we are, I've got something up, so I assume that's you. I'll cancel that, all right. Okay, and you can see Diane on your screen now.
That's correct.
Okay, it's because Diane's coming up. Okay, so if you, by the way, Diane, if you look at Reg's screen at the moment, you can see yourself in the screen because Reg has got you highlighted. Okay, you'll notice, put your pointer down at the icons at the bottom of the screen, Reg, in the taskbar, and you see his Kodi one there. No, the ones that's it. See his Kodi one, Diane. If you can't see it, if it's too small. Click on Reg's little name at the bottom of the screen, and that'll come up full screen for Reg.
On the right-hand corner, Diane.
Can you see it now, Diane?
Yeah. It doesn't matter though, because that one there is. Can you see? You can't see mine now, but that white page is actually Kodi.
Okay. And if you right-click on that, Reg, if you right-click, don't do anything after you right-click, but right-click on it first. Notice it comes up Kodi. It says pin to taskbar or closed window. So that's where yours should have had a pin to taskbar, and I don't know why it didn't. So anyway, I'm not sure, and I don't know why Kodi isn't over in the to the left of your one. But anyway, click away from that. Don't click on any of them, Reg. Click away from that. Okay. All right, start up. Click on the Kodi one, Reg, and we'll start Kodi up. Okay, it's going. All right. Right. In your case, because we haven't got the video add-on added, we're going to have to use the add-on installer. So if you go to Programs, Reg, on yours, I assume you've got add-on installed. Okay, and yeah, you've got add-on installer, and notice Reg has already got it as an item at the bottom. I'll show you how to do that later on, so click on that, Reg. Okay, so this time we'll do a search. Click on search, Reg, and type in Twit, T-W-I-T. And click on the done button. It's going to go away.
It says it's working.
Okay. It didn't come up with any. Okay. None there. Okay. Don't know why. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Not sure why that didn't work. All right, just go back with the back button again. No, where the two dots are. Search by author title. Just click on search again and we'll have another go at it. Sometimes it doesn't. Type twit again, T-W-I-T. And click on done. No, doesn't find it. Don't know why. Yours is somehow different, Red. Don't know what you've done to your Kodi, but your Kodi is slightly different to the one. Okay, let's just try video. Rather than doing a search, let's try video add-ons. Click on video add-ons. It's got a whole lot of them there, and just see if you can scroll through until you get to the T's for twit. You have to go through quite a few lists. Next page. You have to go through till you get to the T's. Next page again. And the ends. And you see there's lots of these around. Getting into the T's, but we've got to get the last two, TW, so.
TV or twit.
There's no twit. TV mix, hold on, let's go. No, it's not there. Just scroll back up again, Reg. I didn't see the TWs. There's TV, VW, Turkish, Ultimate, that's it. Guitar, it's not there. All right. So I don't know why it didn't come up, Reg.
Okay.
All right. I don't know why. All right, not to worry. All right.
Yep.
Okay, so all right, so I can't do that with you, Reg. So not my apologies. All right, so if we come out of screen sharing again. All right. All right. Next thing we were going to do, what was it? Using it to show all your photos in a slideshow. All right. To do this, we need to add a slideshow thing. But before we do that, can I just have a break of 1 minute to everybody? Is that all right?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. You two talk amongst yourself, and I'll be back in a minute. Only a sec.
Okay.
When you go to, I was just thinking, when you end up going to your list in the end, it could just possibly be on there, you know, on your list.
Yes. Yeah.
Because what I was doing before we got on to Google Hangouts, I was going into downloading a few things like we've just done, installing, and then I didn't know how to access it. I was going across to the right-hand side. Then I watched Jeff do something else, so you have to go to, I don't know, I'm going to ask him. How do you know how to access things that you have already installed? What do you go to? Do you go to programs, music, videos? What do you go to?
You go to videos and then
Right.
add-ons.
Okay.
And it brings up a list, which the list should show what you can add on. Well, there's Genesis. It doesn't show that it's added on, but it is.
Well, click on it while you wait. Is it a good one?
Genesis?
Yeah.
You've got Genesis. It is moving.
No, I haven't. I've only got Exodus and Phoenix. I haven't downloaded Genesis.
Oh, sorry, Diane. Genesis was best movies before Exodus. So,
Okay.
So
it's
now
worth
you've
putting
got
on then.
now you've got Exodus, it'll have
Oh, okay.
everything.
You don't need Genesis then. Okay. That's an advanced, updated version of Genesis.
Yeah, Exodus. Sorry, I was getting mixed up.
Keep scrolling down here, past the P. Keep scrolling down.
TED Talks and the rule. Yeah.
I was hoping your twit might have appeared on there.
Yeah, it's 9 TV.
I don't know what happens when you don't have it on there. Obviously, there's different ways of configuring it, so you've got different repositories, and perhaps we've got to look for a repository for Twit. I don't know. I'll look once again. I only know what I know. I don't know what I don't know, but I'll put it in my. That will be a question notice how to get Reg's Twit to come up, even though it's not installed on your add-ons. I don't know what to do. Okay.
I noticed they've been putting a line across the bottom talking about the latest Kodi version. I just wondered whether Regis got the latest version.
Well, the only way to find out if you've got the latest version is there's a function in Kodi under system that says something about, and it shows you what version number you've got. All right. So you just go to that and have a look at it, and then you could probably update. The only trouble in updating Kodi is that when you do that, sometimes when you update it does a new one.
Hey, there's Twit.
So, can you see my screen, Jeff?
Yeah.
Can Jeff see it?
I don't know what happened to Jeff, but I thought it might come in your list, even though it didn't say that it was enabled. I just had a feeling. You have to click on it. You have to click on it and then go install.
Twit add-on enabled, so it's enabled now.
I clicked on the wrong thing. I disconnected myself. All right. Okay, but I've come back.
Well, Jeff, we've just enabled Twit on my computer.
Oh, you found it. Where was it, Reg?
Oh, it was in another page and another page of add-ons, video add-ons.
Okay.
So it's just enabled, and I click on that.
Once you've enabled it, you come back as you've just done. Now go back. Hold on, I'll switch you on. Now go back and to the video add-ons, and it'll be underneath that. Videos, add-ons. Video add-ons, that's it.
Twit.
And there's Twit.
Click on it.
Yep.
It's working.
Okay. You've got a lot added on, Reg. You've got everything added on. And there we are. There's this thing. And by the way, there's different technology things. By the way, all of that is Android. All Twit TV, Android, App Arena. FLOSS stands for free and open source software. There's a bit about ham radio. There's a whole lot of ham radio guys into that. All sorts of things. Okay.
So
I happen to know because I watched yesterday's show. They're at a trade show. There's some sort of a NAB, which I don't know what's a national. I don't know. They're at some sort of trade show, and some guys giving a talk about stuff at a trade show.
So
there we are.
Twit live now on. Can you see
there. That's a live show. I didn't think. What's the time in America at the moment? They must be the evening there, or tomorrow, yesterday morning or something.
I'm glad I know.
By the way, another little smart key. Rather than doing the thing, you get used to using the hotkeys to do this. If you want to exit that, if you press the X key on your keyboard, it'll exit that video. Press X.
Doesn't seem to want to.
No, your keyboards are not mapped anyway. All right, you'll have to click on it and press the stop key.
Yeah, I've done. Okay.
Now click on the screen. Okay, click there, anywhere on the screen.
Yeah.
Now press the stop key. No, the stop key is the one to the right. That's the pause key, next to the right of that one. The one that's yeah, that's it. Click that.
Yep.
And it's
No,
stopped.
it's still talking.
Well, click it again. Now click it again. That's it. Now you got rid of him. Good on you. He's gone. Okay. All right then. Okay. Rightio. As I said, the next thing I want to do is do a screensaver. I want to download a screensaver. We're quickly using up time. You people are okay for time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you want to add a screensaver, we'll do this with Reg's computer, and Diane can watch. That way you can watch it, Diane, and then have a go at it looking at the recording later on. Okay. To be able to do that, you really need to have some photos on your computer. But anyway, we'll talk about that a bit later on as well. So that's a program add-on. So what we'll do, we'll go to the add-on installer and have a look at program add-ons for screensavers. All right. So if you go to Reg, if you click on programs, on point at programs, and you've already got add-on installer there, start add-on installer, and you're already up a couple of screens, so you're going to have to go back a few times. Just back. Let's keep going back. That's it, you're there. So it's what's called a program add-on. Now, we've looked at, obviously, video add-ons. We haven't done much on audio add-ons. We've got program add-ons. So if you go to program add-ons and click on that. And by the way, Diane, you can see Reg's screen, can you?
Yes.
Full size. To see Reg full size, you just click on his name, comes up full size. Okay, let's see if we've got any screensavers. In fact, I've got a better idea. Let's search for screensavers. Let's go back one and go to the search thing. Go back one with the back button, the backspace. Click up at search at the top. Search. And type screensaver. And click on done. We'll see how it finds.
It's just working. Digital
clock. It's
clock.
got a digital clock screensaver. That's not the one we want. I want a different one. And I don't know where I found it. So you can have a digital clock screensaver. That means when it goes to a screen saving, it has a digital clock. We don't want that one, Reg. I want a slideshow screensaver. First, we need to click in slideshow. Type in slideshow. So go back again to search, and we'll try typing in slideshow.
Oh.
Back just one.
Add-on
installer.
It just keeps going to that.
Okay. See where it's got the two buttons? Click on the two dots above it. No. Click on add-on installer. So what you do is go into the add-on and let me explain what's happening here. That's right. Now you've got to go back there. Okay. Go to the search and type in what did I say? We did. What did we do before? We did slideshow, didn't we? I can't remember.
Yeah. No, we just did screensaver. You want slideshow screensaver.
Slideshow. Thanks, Diane. Glad I'm you. Thank you for letting me use your memory. And click on done. No, don't take out the screensaver. Just slideshow will do. Try that. Click on done.
It's working. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, click on the two dots again and put a space between the slide and the show. And click on done.
Working.
No.
Nothing.
No. All right, I know it's there, so I might have a go at Diane's one. So if you can do a screen, if you come out of that, Reg, so you can see, stop the screen sharing. Put your point at the top left-hand corner of the screen. You can come out of it somehow. Perhaps. No, it's not going to. All right, you'll probably have to do the Alt Tab to come back to where we were.
Oh.
Keep
So
pressing Alt Tab until you see the photo of Diane there. That's it. Now let it go. Right, now you can stop your screen share. Click on the screen share button again and it should stop it. Hasn't stopped it. Click it again, Reg. No, I'm still getting your screen share. Oh, perhaps it has stopped it. I don't know. Yours doesn't come back to you. I don't know why. Okay.
I can see you now.
Okay, you can see me. That's okay then. All right. All right, I can see me now. Diane, I'll get you to screen share now if you would, please.
I have. I've already done it.
Okay. All right. All right, and click on your Kodi at the bottom of the screen at the taskbar. That little white thing that was Kodi. There we are. Okay. All right. Make it full screen again, which is if you press the backslash, it'll go to full screen. Okay. Good. All right. You need to get out of this, Diane. So just close that video off. Stop the video. That's right. You've done that perfectly. And you need to come back to the main screen. You can pick on the home. That'll take you back there. Okay. So we're going to do.
Can I intervene for a second here? I see Reg has got a lot of the other things, like I've got the Exodus down there. I'd like to put the ones that I've got as well down there, but maybe later.
Okay, I was going. Well, we'll do it now. It only takes 10 seconds, so we'll do that. Okay. To put whatever's on the screen, that's just under settings. I think we're over to the right to next after programs. What's it got? I forget. System, sorry. System, and go to settings. Okay. Now, interesting, we're starting to get that feedback coming through now, and I think that's Reg's computer. Reg, would you mind, just for a minute, just muting your microphone?
Who, Diane or me?
Yeah, you, Reg. Mute your microphone. Okay. No, I didn't. Are you there? Okay, it's still. When you need to talk, Reg, you have to push on your microphone. We're not getting any feedback now. So that feedback was coming from Reg's machine. All right. Okay, Diane, so we've gone one step too far. We need to go. Sorry. I did mention. I did say to go to system. What I meant to say was to go to programs and program add-ons. So you have to come back one.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. It was my fault. Okay, you're on programs. Okay.
It's not giving me. It's not giving me a drop-down box.
Okay. I know it is. Okay. Now you're on systems. Go back to programs. Click there. It's already in the add-on. You're already in the add-on installer. That's why. Notice it starts at the top. Programs add-on installer.
Yeah.
If you just go back once with the backspace, it'll take you back to because last thing you did was add Phoenix. Remember? Right. Okay. Now you're back there. Okay. And you're also in another one again. Go back one more time. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can search for your one for screensavers, or we'll see what happens. Go to search. Not screensaver. What do I call it? Not screensaver. Picture. Oh, my memory again.
Slideshow.
Slideshow, that's right. Thank you for giving me your memory. All right. Click done. No, not there.
I think we should have put screensaver, slideshow
Okay, well,
screensaver.
I'll have a go. I don't think you can make it all one word. You need
No,
at least. You can't do that. You're going to have to backspace.
Oh, okay, I didn't mean to do that.
Space and then screensaver. Click on done. No, still not there. I don't know. I don't know where I found this. Sometimes the search thing doesn't work very well. Sometimes what you've got to do is actually go to the the actual add-on, the thing, and go through the screens to find what you want. But it's definitely a program. I think it's a program.
What about this installer settings?
No, that won't do. That's just the settings for the installer. All right.
So how do I put an icon on underneath my Kodi?
Okay,
Yeah.
righto. To do that, you come out of this. Oh, that's what we're doing. Oh, sorry, I forgot. My apologies. I'm going sideways. Yeah, come back out of this.
And how do you do that?
Just backspace out. And again. Okay, under System, Settings, right, under Appearance, click on Appearance, and notice it's got Skin there. All right, now go up to Skin and point at Skin, and click on Skin, and over to the right underneath Skin, it's got Skin and then Settings. Go to Skin Settings. And down the bottom of that, it's got hold on, I'm on the wrong thing there. Yeah, sorry, down the bottom on the left-hand side. My apologies. It's got add-on shortcuts. There it is, and you'll notice add-on number 1. You've got Exodus there. If you click on shortcut, that's it. Add-on number. If you click on add-on number 2. You'll see you've got your cooking, you've got Phoenix, that's right, now you've got Phoenix. On number 3, you can make it, for example, Twit or the cooking. On number 4, you've only got 5, so we choose whatever you like. And for example, the Twit one. There we are. All right, done. If you just come out of this again, just close that window. And you point, and you go back and you point at videos. There they all are. Oh,
yeah.
You went back. Just go back one.
I went too fast.
Just go back one, backspace.
Yeah. Excellent.
There they are. You've got Exodus, Phoenix, cooking, and Twit across the bottom. So the advantage is it gets to you the nice and fast rather than having to go the slow way. All right. Okay. All right. Well, we weren't able to do this the slideshow and that, but that's a good feature. I'll actually find out how to get that and perhaps do a separate video on it. Right, or find if there is already a video on that, because it's definitely worthwhile. That way, after 30 seconds, you have a situation where you have a slideshow coming up. But try it one other way. See if this works. Try it again. Go back to System again. Go to Settings. Go to Appearance. And under, you'll notice it's got Screensaver at the bottom. Go down to Screensaver. All right. Now notice it says Screensaver mode is dim. All right. Put it on Screensaver mode and see what happens. Point it where it says Screensaver mode. on the right-hand side there, up the top, up higher, screensaver mode. Now click on that. There we are. So you have different sort of screensavers. Now just scroll down the list and see if it says get more at the bottom. No, it doesn't.
Stars, no. Pyro, ping pong. Yeah, it's got more over here on the right hand side.
There's get more. I knew there was one somewhere. There we are. My apologies. This is how you find it. Click on get more. Okay, so there the get more screensavers. Scroll down that one and let's see what list we've got. Feed reader, see if it's got a one that says slideshow. Picture slideshow screensaver. That's the one we want. Click on that. That's the one that I use. Okay. And it installs it. My apologies. I thought it was an add-on. It is an add-on, but you do it via screensaver add-ons.
Settings.
Okay.
Settings appearance. I don't know whether Reg can hear this.
You can see all this, can you, Reg?
He hasn't got his microphone on.
Oh, yeah, you have to switch your microphone back on, Reg.
Can you explain to us what this is?
Okay. What it is it means that when you leave, for example, it's got a wait time there of 3 minutes.
Yeah.
If you leave your screen on for 3 minutes, it'll start up this screen in screensaver mode and show you pictures. Now these pictures can be in multiple places. Yeah, you've switched your microphone on, Reg. I know it's on because now we're getting the feedback. So that's proof that it's your microphone that's creating the feedback problem. All right. Okay. So if you can see all this, can you, Reg?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All right. Okay, if we get too much feedback, I might ask you to mute your microphone again, Reg. All right. Okay. So under where it says settings now, click on settings, Diane.
Standard level?
No, at the top where it says screensaver mode and then settings on the right hand side. Okay.
Oh.
You went out, click on screensaver, now on settings. Okay. So this is where it can show you. For example, it says a source of video images, and it's got fan art, and if you like to click on one of those things to the right there, little down arrow things, click again. Image folder, click again. Music fan art, click again. An image folder. Now if you do image folder, you can have a folder of images on your computer. Now it's got folder there, click on folder underneath that. Now if you go to your See ASA, click on See ASA. You got any photos on this computer, Diane?
Only on Facebook. I'm going to have to put them on my desktop and put them in a folder.
Okay, you haven't got any photos at all.
I don't think so. I don't know. I haven't used this laptop. Don't forget.
Okay, all right. Well, we might just put on the Windows one that comes up. Go on. No, you have to go back one. That won't find what you want. Go with the two dots.
Oh.
I was saying 3 dots last on Windows. Try going to user. User. Second from the bottom. Okay, go into Diane Archer, Acer, I think it's the Diane Acer. Go to documents. If you've got documents, if you've got anything under documents.
I would have stuff under down. I'm not sure. No, don't forget. I don't use this computer.
Okay, all right. Anyway, that's what you do. You simply go through your folders until you find the videos the photos that you want, and it will show those photos after there's been a delay of 3 minutes, and it flips through the photos, which is really good.
I should have gone through downloads because.
Well, just go back one. There might be something in downloads. Try that. Click on the double dot. Now try downloads.
I don't think so, actually. Now I'm getting confused with.
Now you've got Spotlight, which is something we're going to download before. No, it's nothing there. Okay. All right, not a problem. All right. Doesn't matter. Just cancel all that. But anyway, that's the way you do it. So that's the way you would put a screensaver on your computer. All right. So just click on cancel over the right-hand side, Diane. That'll take you right out of it. Okay. All right, and also you can also set a dim level, and you can have various effects, whether it pans or zooms, all sorts of things like that. Okay. So it's quite good what you can do, and also under additional settings you can set other sort of settings. That's your screensaver that you have with Kodi. All right, let's look at the next thing, if you're still interested in it. Can I ask you to mute your screen again now, Reg? If it's mute your thing again. Thank you. What was I going to do next? That's not what I want. Live online training, we're going to do. The next thing was changing the look, the skin of the user interface. Rather than doing that on your computers, oh yeah, we'll do it on your computers. We'll do it on Diane's, or we want to do it on Reg's. Totally up to you. Okay. All right, I will. All right. Google Hangout. All right. So Diane's is you're still in it, Diane. So perhaps we'll do it on yours if it's okay, Reg. You have to click the microphone before you can talk. Is that all right, Reg?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
All right. All right. We're on Diane's then, and what did I say we're going to do? My mind's going on me, isn't it?
Appearance or something.
Oh yeah, it's changing the appearance of it. You'll notice the screen view that you've got here is of you've got this blue background, you've got these sort of menus and stuff like that. You don't have to be that way. There are various skins, what they call skins. That means you can make the overall appearance and also a lot of the menus and that completely different in Kodi. For example, one that I use, this one's called Confluent. The one that I use is called Amber sometimes. So let's just install try the Amber one out and show what it looks like difference, and then we'll change back to this one again, all right? Because the trouble is if you change it, sometimes you forget, where things are. So you go on System again, down to Settings, and once again Appearance. And this time, point at Skin. Now the skin that's on the right-hand side there, Diane. And notice it's already got Confluence there. If you click on that, it's got Confluence and it's got Retouch, right? But you can get more. Click on Get More. Click on the Amber one, because I know how this one works, and it's going to install Amber. Won't take long, only a second. Notice all these add-ons only take a second to add on because it's only small little text files. We're already up to 56%. It's a bit slower than I thought. All right, it's almost done. Now it's installing some dependencies. Don't know what they are. None. Okay, and it's already changed. Would you like to keep the skin? Click on Yes. Okay, right, we're under Kodi's and Appearance, and it's in Amber. Now if you press the back button, you'll notice it looks completely different. The backspace button. The key, sorry. Just press backspace again, Diane. You'll notice it's got a completely different appearance. Videos, now it's got a different appearance. Add-ons is a separate section. Music is a separate section. Looks completely different. Move across to where it's got photos, because the one that comes up with photos is really good. That's to the left. Weather looks different. Settings look different. I like the weather one.
Yeah.
Okay, music has got a thing. Add-ons. Pictures. Oh, the pictures one's even different to what it used to be. The one of pictures used to be one of the art gallery in France. Okay. and go to the one that says exit, I think, over to the right. Weather, settings, quit. Yeah, I particularly like that one myself. It's because I'm into aeroplanes, but it's a nice photo of a sunset behind an aeroplane. Anyway, all right. So if you want to go back to what you had before, you can go back to settings and appearance down the bottom. Notice it looks a little bit different. They go up to skins, and notice it's got Confluent, the one we used before. Go to Confluent. Okay, it says, do you want to keep it? Yes. And you're back to where you were. Okay.
Thank you.
So that's how you can change the appearance of it. The whole appearance looks completely different. And by the way, some of the skins give you more functionality. There's more functionality than some of the other skins. All right. The other thing is, though, if you ever get confused, always go back to this Confluent one, because that's the one everybody start off with. All right. Okay, what else do we want to do? Okay.
I'm getting tired.
Okay, that's probably enough for today then, all right?
Yeah.
All right, I just look at the other things we were going to do, which was showing different views, which actually showed you. There's something about the internet, the internet database, which I did, which is once you've got a whole lot of movies, you can get to look up the movies, the internet database of the movies to show you all the information about that. We've looked at that roughly. And the other thing we didn't do was connect to other devices. So we might leave that as a separate session to do that, because it'd be good if you can connect to your, be able to connect. For example, Diane, you could connect to your desktop, get the movies off your desktop, but save them on your desktop rather than saving them on your notebook. You can do things that way. Okay. Out of time. Any other special requests before we go? You want to put your microphone on again, Reg?
That was very interesting. Thanks, Jeff.
Okay, good. You can need to come out of your screen sharing, Diane, because you're still in screen sharing. And we're back to you. That's all right. And back to me. All right. So we'll finish off the broadcast, and I will point out, though, just before we do that, I'll quickly show you on, does everybody know what my web page is, how to get to my web page?
Yeah, I've got the link.
Okay. If you go to my web page, and on my web page it says this live online training, on there I put down each of these sessions that we do, so we can always come back to this again. You can always come back to it again. All right. Okay, enough for today. All right. The only thing I did want to show you, Diane, was how on your I'll stop the broadcast. Oh, I won't stop the broadcast. Is how to on your Chromecast, how to put the whole screen on your Chromecast. Do you want to do that now, or you would like to do that another time?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay. Yeah. All right, so you have to do a screen share with me and get into Google Chrome. Right.
I haven't got my TV on. Do I need to?
You'll need to go in and switch your TV on, and also switch it to the HDMI channel so that it has got the Chromecast screen up. So I'll wait for that.
Do I need to take my laptop into the TV?
No, it doesn't have to be on the TV.
Okay.
Not at this stage. Right? Well, I assume that the laptop's on wireless, and so whatever's going to come up on your laptop is going to be able to come up on your TV as well. You don't have to. You there, Diane? No, she's gone back. Okay. All right.
That's a bit of a worry. I've clicked on the HDMI 2 and it's just got like a screensaver up.
Yes, because that's the way it works. Actually, if you're not using it, it comes up with the screensaver, and that screensaver, I don't know how you got it set, but if you set on that screensaver, it comes up with some absolutely fantastic photos.
Yeah, I watched it the other day, but I was worried because I didn't know what was happening.
No, it's working okay. That's not a problem.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So, I'll get you to screen share again, Diane. Okay. All right. We're in your browser there, and I can see up the top right-hand corner your Chromecast. So there we are. So if you click on that, you'll notice when you click on that, it comes down. Don't click on that, anything else yet. It comes down, and normally when you do that, it's going to show you. You click on the Chromecast thing, but notice where it says cast this tab to the right of that there's another little icon. Move over to point at that. That's it, that one there. Click on that. And notice it says cast this tab, optimize your audio, and cast screen window, experimental. Click on that. Okay, and then it comes up. And there's resizing window that will cast and make your device unstable. Okay. Now just click on the Chromecast number. Click on that. And then it'll ask you want the entire screen. Google Hangout is sharing, whatever. Do the entire screen one and click on share. Down the left there. And there you are. Now, the whole of the screen is going to be appearing on your TV. So even if you go to another screen, it will still appear.
I can hear you twice. Once
yeah, because it's coming through on the TV. That's right. Okay. All right, good.
Okay, is that all I need?
That's all you need. That's all I wanted to show you. All right. So to switch that off again, you just go into your Chromecast, go up the Chromecast button up the top right-hand corner. That's it. Click it there, and just stop casting. And it's stopped. So now if I'm talking, you can't hear my voice again because it's not coming through on the TV. Okay. Just by the way, if you do that, and you want to sit there with the computer in front of you, for example, you do that, and then switch over to Kodi, and everything that's on Kodi's screen is going to come out on the big screen TV, but the voice will come through twice. I've found though, if you go on your taskbar where you set your volume on your laptop, and you turn the volume right down, then you don't hear it on your laptop, but you do hear it through the TV. Okay? Understand what I mean?
I know what you mean, but I can't see the volume control. I'll have
the volume control, don't do it at the moment, because if you turn the volume down you won't hear me, but the volume control is on the little upward pointing triangle, upward pointing arrow that's over near the date and the time. If you click on there, there'll be a thing for volume somewhere.
It's on 100% just now.
Okay, don't worry about it for now. Okay, that's enough. You can stop your screen sharing. Back to you. Back to Reg. So we'll stop the broadcast and we'll say goodbye. I'm just saying, if anybody wants to know more about this, please email me. I might put a link to my email on the videos. If you don't know how to find my email address, go to my website, which is geoff.greig.net.au, right? And you go there and you'll find my website and you'll find my email address if anybody wants to go to that. Okay.
Give us the website again, Jeff.
Slowly. Oh, okay. Well, it's Geoff, Geoff.
Yep.
Dot.
Yep.
Greg, Greig.
Greig, yep.
.net.
Yep.
.au.
Thank you.
Okay, and that will take you to my homepage. All right.
Thanks, Jeff. Yep, that's good.
Okay, and when you get to my homepage, yeah. Anyway, it'll take you to my homepage. Okay. Good.
Thanks
Good.
a lot,
And
Tim.
then from the homepage, there's a link to the live online training, and on that there's links to all the videos we're doing, including a link to this one. All right, and that's already there. Okay.
Beautiful.
All right then. Enough for today.
Bye.
I'll stop the broadcast, and we'll see you all next time then. See you later, Diane. See you
Bye.
later, Reg.
Bye, Diane.
Bye, Reg.
Bye, Diane.